So circle equations and tangents have not yet come up in the GCSE maths paper, so let's take a look at how to find the tangent line to this circle at the point 5, 12. Well, it's always helpful to sketch out the circle, and we can see that this circle is going to have a centre of 0. So if we go ahead and draw in our circle here, we can also see that the point 5, 12, which lies on the circumference of this circle, will be around this point here. Now, if we're looking for the tangent line at this point, let's go ahead and draw that in to help us as well. And it's going to look something like this. And we now need to use this diagram to help us find the equation of this line. Well, firstly, let's just take a look at the radius. Well, we know that the radius of a circle is going to go from the centre out to a point on the circumference. So we can say that goes from the point 0, 0, which is our centre here, out to the point we're looking for, which is 5, 12. If we can find the gradient of this radius, it can help us find the gradient of the line we're looking for. Well, the gradient of the radius, we can go ahead and draw in a triangle as we usually would, and we can see we've got a horizontal move of 5 and a vertical move of 12, which means the gradient is 12 over 5. Now, if we take a look at the radius and the line, the tangent line, we can see that these are at a 90-degree angle to each other, which means that the tangent line is perpendicular to the radius. This means that the gradient of the tangent line is going to be the negative reciprocal of the radius, so that's going to be minus 5 over 12. We can also see that this line is a straight line, so it's going to have the equation format of y equals mx plus c, where our m is minus 5 over 12. Now to find c, well, we know the point 5, 12 must lie on this tangent line, so we can plug in this coordinate pair to get 12 equal minus 5 over 12 times by 5, add c, which means that c must equal 12 add 25 over 12, which is just going to leave us with a c value equal to 169 over 12. So the full equation of the tangent line then is going to be y equals minus 5 over 12x add 169 over 12. And this would be an example of a grade 8 to 9 question.